Alright, we're all set.
We can see a monster doggy.
This is our photographer, Monte. Alright. Now we said
hello, we are here. Nana's cute?
yeah, I'm cute.
Alright, you clean off this. It's very messy. Very messy.
Yes.
Jeez. Who's that? Is that locking?
Yeah.
We can see a monster doggy. I'm very scared. Right here. We're locking. Going somewhere. There's cooking. Just joking. She's joking. And we have turn on the light. Right. Good morning. Good morning. This is Erica's room. I like this one. We're playing cat. Volleyball. Let's see somewhere else. They are here. Erica, come here. Good. Good morning.
It's like your classmate? She's not your classmate? Oh no, please.
So we look at the CR too many times. I pee and I poop and pee too. You'll see it as people. Here, this is the CR. And here's perfume and what is this? We're gonna call it down perfume and what is this? Nail polish. I thought it's nail polish. Okay, this is the bathroom. So you have to open this. This is the bathroom we are doing in the pool or something. Look at us. Hi! He's not there.
Then, let's go. Ang shutter.
Going!
I-off our light. No, close. Then the light also. Close na ito. Michael, go. Alright, we're all set. We have Auntie Lisa. Where are you? Please, this is your right side. Yes. And we have Sean Kun, Baby Kun, and Erika-chan. Mga baby pa. We're going to church. Church ba, Auntie Liz? No. Oh, they have church today. Oh. Okay. So, we're going to, I don't know, maybe later. We're watching TV. No more Ariel. Michael. Cooking. We're waiting for the TV. No more TV. Oops. Wanted people. Tula. Okay. Kasi lagi picture ako. Cheng. Up. Oh, automatic parking. We're gonna go to the automatic parking now. Let's check Kuya. The Kuya will lift the car.
確認ではございますが、皆様降りられてますでしょうか。忘れ物ございませんか。はい。はい、少しお待ちください。
Kung ano ba daw tatanong? Okay. Alright. card.
Bye, car.
Bye, car. Bye, bye, car. See you later.
You don't have car anymore.
Yeah, we don't have car anymore.
Alright. Ted, hello! Oh, hi. Link, can we touch it?
No, come on. No touching. Come on, let's go. Flowers. Cactus.
Cactus.
Succulents. Sakit. This is our photographer, Omotesando. Hi. Picture na daw, picture. Let's take a picture, guys. Okay, so where are we, Michael?
Omotesando.
Kusog Pino. Okay, morning old condominium. Namin sa Omotesando station. And it's very cold. And sa illumination. Illumination ilang tawagan na, guys, but sa ato is Christmas lights lang yan. So nangita mig food, kaon na food. Magulang kami na magkaon, kaon na food. Okay lang, makatambok din eh. So unsa ni nga place nila mga social na mga brand?
Yeah, luxury brand.
O mga luxury brand is in here. Oh my gosh, my double chin is showing all the time, ha? Okay. Oh, this is nice. Google Pixel again. Sikat lagi ni Google Pixel, Mike. Why is nag-promote lagi sila? Yeah, nag-promote lagi sila ang Google Pixel. Oh. Welcome to Ralph Lauren hiking. Oh, teddy bears in suits. Alright, testing our...
Can I try? Can I try?
No. Hi. Hi, I got this.
What's that?
Monte Carlo and Copenhagen.
Come on, hand it.
Is it okay? The color?
Yes.
Yes?
What's this?
Okay.
What's
The
this?
lipstick. Ay, you're not gonna go eat. We're buying some nicks in Japan. Thank you. What's up, Didi? No, this is not the Shibuya Churba. This is just the regular crossing.
All the people cross.
Ate Kung, wait for me na. Okay, we're here in the streets looking for food. Kung is talking to Tap on the phone. Oh, graffiti's here. Come on, make it fast, make it fast. We're gonna make it fast kasi na kayo mong kauban ako dala dito. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna eat here. Together? Go. This is what's happening right now after what we eat.
Maybe grade 11.
Okay, and Erica. And they're playing.
She's grade 11.
And who's that? At the background is dancing. What are you dancing, King?
Completing 16.
The younger one.
Okay. So, what can you say? Come here. Come here. Okay, so what can you say about the trip so far? Do you love it in here?
Yes, I love it very, very much. Look at this. Look at me.
Senior high school. Yeah. Mine is daidakute,
Okay, so that's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
It's very funny. Very funny.
Yeah, very funny.
Let's do it.
What are you doing? Go. Oops. Come on, come here. Come here. You can do this. Oh.
You're invisible.
I can't see you. Yay! Enough na, enough na. Eh, look at cute. Hi.
Hi. My name's a ninja.
And now again, kahit to Japan. Go inside na.
Lollipop.
Alright, mga loves, time check. It's already 10:30 here in Japan, and I have the vending machine. Quiet, quiet, quiet. We have the vending machine behind me, so wala talagang vendos here anywhere in Japan. And as you can see, buildings behind me have LCD and monitors for their advertisements. Ayun lang. At kanina may mga nakita ako mga taong kakaiba yung makeup nila. Parang nag-cosplay, ganon. Pero jinx talaga tong hair ko, mga loves, parang walis. Ano nang nangyari dito? Waiting for the car. That's not the one. That's not the one, red. Banda itong gahapon. Oh, that's it.
Let's go.
Okay, wait. Wait. Let's follow instruction. Okay? Okay. Thank you.
Yay! Ready? Ate Kongkong, be patient.
Okay, more. Okay, wait.
Wait Kong, wait lang. No. You wait for your turn.
Let's go. Okay. Next.
Si...
Oh.
No, Shan Kong.
Jiten
Si Shan. Alright. Kala ko naiwan na si Shan.